What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Edwin Game Dev channel. So today we're gonna start a brand new series on how to make a video game. First off, we're gonna save our scene as level 1. Then you could delete this sample scene already. Great. Make sure your auto-generate lighting is on. Okay, so that it will be updated everything you do. Next, create a cube. Call it as ground. This ground has to be reset. Scale it to 0.5. Enter. And then you'll give it a scale of 10 on the X and 1000 on the Z or Z. Okay. Next, you want to create a player. I'll take a cube first as a player. Okay. I'll reset the transform and then it's too bright. I can't see. Oh my god. Alright, let's delete the directional light. Delete. Great. Wow. That's not cool. So let's create a point light. Now that's looking kinda cool. The cube position on 1. Oh wow, interesting. Floating. Alright, never mind. Y to 1. Now it's not floating. Get it? Great. To show the difference between the floor and the player, we need to create a material for our player. So let's create a folder first. Call it materials so that we can stay organized. Then we create a new material, red. Give it a color of red. Close up. Apply it by drag and drop. Pretty cool, right? But this is very long, no cool. So 450. Alright, maybe 490. Alright, perfect. Easy peasy, isn't it? Game view. Wow, that was really cool.
Wow, that was really cool.
That's not cool. What we're gonna do? Change the skybox to solid color and gray, I think. Alright, that's cool. So, in the next episode, we'll be creating a level with Probuilder and Progrids. I'll show you how to install in a minute. So, first of all, Windows, Package Manager, Advanced, make sure your Show Preview package is on. Okay? Alright. Probuilder install. Now you want to make your scene more prettier, just like once my friend said. Scene is beautiful, fun to play. Yay! That's childish. Alright, let's stop using that voice. Come on, import faster. Alright, I'll speed up this process for you. Alright, next, we'll install post-processing to make your scene beautiful. Alright, progress is the next one. Alright, next up, we're gonna create another folder for C# scripts. I'm not professional in coding, so we're just doing some easy job right here. Let's open up C#. Alright, so right now what we're gonna do is actually public force, and then I mean public float. Okay, float. What is this? Oh my god. Alright, we gotta close it. We're gonna get public to see the float, and the float is called sideway force. And then public rigid body, which is the rigid body of the player, RB, short form. Okay, get component, RB equals to get component rigid body. In the update, we're gonna use fixed update because everything gonna be physics. So okay, fix up. Oh shit, fix update. Okay, and we're gonna do rigid body dot add force, which means our player is going to add a force to the front. So we're gonna use forward force. But this won't work since we have a 3D space. So we need X, Y, and Z. So the Z is forward. This will explain, okay? X, the x-axis, the y-axis, up and down, and the z-axis. Forward is the z-axis. So we're gonna add a force to z-axis. And this force has a value of 2000. And our sideway force will have a 500, I guess. Everything is editable in the inspector. So in our player, attach our player movement scripts. So forward force times time dot delta time, and then at the back force mode dot velocity change. Velocity change. Capital V. Oh wow, what am I doing? Okay, interesting. Next, for the A and D, if you are a gamer, smash like now. So I'll show you how to move. Adding force to the left. Force. This is to the left. This is to the right. Force to the right. Okay, save this. So if, okay, this is not important. You don't have to write this. It's only for tutorial purpose, okay? So if input dot get key down bracket key code dot a, and then we're gonna do rb dot add force. So the player is adding force to sideway. Sideway is on the x-axis, so we're using sideway force, and then 0, and then 0 times time dot delta time, and then same thing, force mode dot velocity change. Close it, save. Do the same to the right. If input dot get key down key code dot d, okay, save it again, okay, rb dot add force negative sideway force 0 on the y, 0 on the z, times time dot delta time. Time dot delta time is actually the game time in the scene, I think. So force mode dot velocity change, because you need to change the velocity. I'm not explaining this anymore. So save the script, hit into Unity. Now you could see the adjustable forward force, adjustable sideway force, and then RB. Hit to physics, add rigid body, and drag and drop. In the ground, you're gonna need a box collider. If you don't have a box collider, add it in the physics. Box collider. If you can't see it, search for it. Now save the scene, okay? There's two ways to make the camera to follow the player. One, drag it to the player. The other method is by adding a new script. I'm lazy for this, so I'm not doing this. Let's see how it works. Wow!
That was really cool. Wow, that was really cool.
Constraints, freeze the rotation. Good. Now when you press oh my god.
Now, when you press A, oh my god!
10. Won't be obvious. But okay. Let's try exchanging this. S. Come back to Unity. Press play. Let's see. So the reason why this occurs is because get key down responds continuously. So get key just gets the key. Now this happens. Won't be obvious. Why? I don't know why. Because, oh, I see. Oh my god. Why this always happens to me? Yeah, great. If this works for you, congratulations. If not, smash this like. See you in the next episode.
OMG.